I want to talk about the difference between flex and bounce, because how often do you see it in different Reddit threads or posts or Discord servers or YouTube comments or Twitch streams that, oh, how's the flex? How does it flex? Is there flex? Show me the flex. There's a difference between flex and bounce. They're two different things, and I think I'm guilty of this, using the word flex in place of bounce just because I didn't know what else to call it. So I made this very scientific diagram that kind of outlines it. So it's pretty simple, right? Flex, it bends in the middle. It bends in the middle. Starts flat, bends in the middle. Bounce is like the whole PCB plate assembly moves down at once when you type on it. I have two different keyboards that demonstrate this. I don't know how it will show up on this video, but I'm going to try. So this is a Sirius. It's top mounted with a palm plate. So here, it has flex. This has flex. I press on this key. It is so hard to see. It bends in the middle a little bit. You see that? But the escape key doesn't really move. The key directly above it, the tab key, kind of moves when I press on it. You can see it below on this one. It kind of moves. The one at the bottom kind of moves. It is a weird flex PCB, but the escape key doesn't really move, right? So that's flex. This is a phantom. It's a O-ring mount. This has bounce. When I press on this key, you see the escape keys moving? You see all of them are moving at once. So that's the difference. Flex bends in the middle, or it bends at some point, but the top and bottom rows of the keyboard probably don't move very much. Bounce is when the whole plate and PCB together as one piece moved up and down. Okay? So for the sake of clarity, I encourage you to ask if you mean flex versus bounce. Differentiate between the two when you're asking for information about a keyboard. Okay? Thanks.